Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm your host for today's update to one of our public portfolio, which is the 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. This is a portfolio we have selected 20 projects and invested a minimum of $100 into each, all totaling up to $2,500 to see if we can manage this portfolio all the way to 100K, from 2.5K to 100K. Is that feasible? Time will tell. Time will be the judge of that. All we can do is keep watching the markets, keep managing the portfolio to see if we can achieve our objective of meeting our target of 100K using the portfolio that we've put together. As with the rest of the market, which is all down and certain projects are being hammered more than others, our 2K to 100K portfolio is a high-risk public portfolio that we share with our community. Therefore, its performance is also linked to the performance of the market, and so far, it has been doing all right. Is that continuing, or is this will change? So guys, what I'm going to share with you in this video today is not financial advice. If you do require financial advice, you know what to do by now. Anyway, let's jump into our price comparisons between this week's price charts to last week's. So starting with Fala Network and the PHA token, the price for the PHA token this week is sitting at 9.4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $94.09. Week on week, we are down 1.4%. Overall, we are down 12.3%. Next is Oasis and the ROS token. The price for the ROS token this week is sitting at 4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $81.95. Week on week, we are down 1%, and overall, we are down 34.5%, which makes Oasis Network and the ROS token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Next is Efinity and the EFI token. The price for the EFI token this week is sitting at 5.4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $187.43. Week on week, we are down 10.1%, and overall, we are now down 48%, which makes Efinity and the EFI token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to the graph and the GRT token. The price for the GRT token this week is sitting at 8.3 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $84.63. Week on week, we are down 4.2%, and overall, we are now down 15.4%. Next is Star Atlas and the Atlas token. The price for the Atlas token is just over 1/10 of a cent. Our portfolio is now valued at $89.84. Week on week, we are down 1.3%, and overall, we are down 53.8%, which makes Star Atlas and the Atlas token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. We move on to Minswap and the Mint token. Minswap, a DEX on the Cardano blockchain. The price for the Mint token this week is sitting at 1.6 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $59.66. Week on week, we are down 2.2%, and overall, we are down 40.3%, which makes Minswap and the Mint token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Trader Joe and the Joe token. The price for the Joe token this week is sitting at 24 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $78.67. Week on week, we are down 11.8%, and overall, we are now down 36.4%, which makes Trader Joe and the Joe token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Iagon and the IAG token. The price for the IAG token this week is sitting at 5.9 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $592.35. Week on week, we are up slightly by 3.9%, and overall, we are up 353.7%, which makes Iagon and the IAG token one of the best performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. ThorChain and the RUNE token is next. The price for the RUNE token this week is sitting at $1.65. Our portfolio is now valued at $87.68. Week on week, we are slightly up by 4.2%, and overall, we are down 17.6%. Next is the ImmutableX and the IMX token. The price for the IMX token this week is sitting at 50.1 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $50.10. Week on week, we are down 8.2%, and overall, we are down 55.2%, which makes ImmutableX and the IMX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Polkadex and the PDEX token is next. The price for the PDEX token this week is sitting at 75 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $48.33. Week on week, we are down 5.7%, and overall, we are down 54.8%, which makes Polkadex and the PDEX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. World Bomber token and the WMT token is next. The price for the WMT token this week is sitting at 10.7 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $46.77. Week on week, we are down 2.3%, and overall, we are down 53.6%, which makes World Mobile and the WMT token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100 100k portfolio challenge. Kilt protocol and the Kilt token is next. The price for the Kilt token this week is sitting at 26.2 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $36.54. Week on week, we are down 2.5%, and overall, we are down 64.1%, which makes Kilt protocol and the Kilt token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge. Next is Akala Network and the ACA token. The price for the ACA token this week is sitting at 4.8 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $24.28. Week on week, we are down 2.3%, and overall, we are down 79.8%, which makes Akala Network and the ACA token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge. We move on to Sundae Swap and the Sundae token. The price for the Sundae token this week is sitting at 0.9%. Our portfolio is now valued at $28.70. Week on week, we are up 0.8%, and overall, we are down 74.4%, which makes Sundae Swap and the Sundae token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge for this. Holoride and the right token is next. The price for the right token this week is sitting at 1.4 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $8.52. Week on week, we are down 5.6%, and overall, we are down 91.6%, which makes Holoride and the right token the worst performing position within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge overall. Next is NearProtocol and the Near token. The price for the Near token this week is sitting at $1.10. Our portfolio is now valued at $22.23. Week on week, we are down 2.4%, and overall, we are down 79.3%, which makes NearProtocol and the Near token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge. We move on to Blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token. The price for the BCMC token this week is sitting at 0.3%. Our portfolio is now valued at $17.94. Week on week, we are slightly up by 11%, and overall, we are still down 82.8%, which makes Blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge for this week. Next is Pangolin and the PNG token. The price of the PNG token this week is sitting at 1.8 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $38.35. Week on week, we are down 8.2%, and overall, we are down 65.3%, which makes Pangolin and the PNG token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge for this week. And finally, we close this segment with Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token. The price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 16.7 cents. Our portfolio is now valued at $16.74. Week on week, we are down 9.5%, and overall, we are down 84.3%, which makes Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token one of the worst performing positions within our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge. There you have it, folks. Our portfolio overall is now valued at $1,694.80. We are slightly down on last week by 1.5%, and overall, we are now down 32.2%. Still not a bad showing considering what's happening elsewhere. What do you guys think with regards to our 2k to 100k portfolio challenge? From our personal point of view, I think it's holding on quite well, since this is a high risk public portfolio that we put together, but not financial advice, of course, but high risk has got something on the other side of that coin. If there's a bull market, that high risk might turn into high return, not financial advice, and it doesn't mean it will pan out like just my own opinion based on the research we put in behind all this project. Anyway, guys, that's it for this week with regards to our 2k to 100k public portfolio challenge. Until the next video, I'm your host, FD465.tv, signing out for now. Bye.